In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chrome to review landmark discount timing charts and upgrade buildings efficiently during event windows. The goal here is simple. You want to plan your upgrades so you spend resources at the best possible time. Instead of upgrading buildings whenever you feel ready, you'll first check the timing charts, then wait for the correct event, and finally complete your upgrades in full batches while the discount is active. This helps you get more value from the same amount of resources and keeps your progress more organized. Start by opening Chrome and reviewing the landmark discount timing charts. Take a moment to carefully look through the chart rather than just glancing at it. You want to understand when discount periods usually appear, how long they tend to last, and whether there are any patterns you can use to prepare in advance. If the chart shows recurring timing, that gives you a planning advantage. It means you can hold your resources, avoid unnecessary upgrades, and be ready when the next good window opens. While reviewing the chart, it's also helpful to note which upgrades matter most to you so you're not making decisions at the last second. Next, wait for an active landmark rush or board rush event. This is the key timing step because these events are the windows where your preparation pays off. Patience matters here. If no event is active, don't start upgrading early just because you have enough materials or currency. The whole point is to align your actions with the event so you can maximize discounts and event benefits at the same time. Keep checking until one of those events is live, and once it appears, be ready to move quickly and efficiently. When the event window is active, upgrade buildings in complete batches. This means you should avoid doing one or two isolated upgrades if your plan was to finish a larger set. Batch upgrading keeps your spending focused and makes better use of the event period. It also reduces the chances of wasting resources outside the optimal window. Before you begin, make sure everything is ready so you can complete the batch smoothly without interruptions. If possible, review your priorities one more time and then carry out the upgrades in one organized push. By following this process, checking the timing charts in Chrome, waiting for landmark rush or board rush, and upgrading in complete batches, you make your progression more strategic, more efficient, and much easier to manage.